all the dry ingredients: cake flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and mix them together. Now put the eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and oil, and mix them all together to make the butter. Ta-da! All done. And put the butter in the baking pan. Now we are going to put it in the oven. Now we are waiting for the cake to be baked. Now let's wait. Now we put the chocolate filling. Then decorate your cake. Here's your cake, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Yay! Yummy! Sarap! Happy birthday, Daddy! I miss you so much. I love you, Daddy!